So why do we ask the budget question? Because that's an important piece. That's not the only question that we ask. Time frame, when are you trying to have this completed by? Is that something we can even meet? What are your overall goals for the project? What's the pain or the difficulty of your current space that we're trying to address going forward? There's a lot of moving parts with a kitchen or a bath or a basement finish project. Ultimately, budget is a big part of where is this going to go? How much does it make sense for you to even invest that kind of money into your home, or does it make more sense to move? So that's just a part of it, and we don't apologize for that. We try to educate people based upon past projects that we've done. Realistically, your project looks similar to this, and this is the budget range that we had for that particular project. So it's just helping people to understand what that looks like, whether it's a kitchen, a bathroom, a basement finish, where that's going to fall typically. And obviously, as we work through with design choices and selections of products, that's going to influence that. But we really use that budget to kind of benchmark what are our goals for this project going forward. That's a really important piece so that we're not investing weeks of time and meetings and things like that, and then ultimately get to the point where the budget doesn't match up with what the desires and the dreams are for their project.